Welcome back. I hope I can edit this all together. So what I did is I took the droppers, I put it into the solution, and made sure each was connected to the wells. Now don't worry if some of the extra solution gets mixed up and stuff like that. It's not going to really matter. What we're going to do is place our ruler next to it because we want to see how far. So here goes my ruler, and I'm going to place it at the centimeters. We're going to measure in centimeters today. Right? Makes it better. So everything's at 0. We're in a good line. I got my electrodes in. So it's my negative side over here by the colors and then a positive side. So now we're going to connect the batteries. So you want to line them up. So yeah, positive, positive. So you want to create a 4.5 volts out of these 5 9 volts. So it's not going to last long, but it's going to be kind of a fun project. It's fun projects for kids. Sorry, I'm kind of like drifting off here as I'm looking over. Alright, snap it together. Kids love doing this. Okay. So, we're connecting it together. Now I'm using fresh batteries. So, this project calls for that. Ooh. What you don't want to do is shake the table. That's what happens. Kind of mixes it up. Okay, basically what you do is you're connecting all 5 of these batteries together. Okay, so I have a positive side, negative side. So you want to add positive to positive, negative to negative with your leads. And then it's kind of fun. So I'm sorry I'm kind of shaky, guys. I just came out of the field and it's kind of fun. I'd rather have done this at our science fair at the PX. It was quite entertaining. I think everybody that was there doing their projects, I applaud them. And I applaud Miss Ruth. So thank you for the opportunity. And then, alright, here we go. We're flopping all this stuff around. Alright, so here is what it looked like with all the shaking going on, because I have wood floors in my house. It's kind of funny. So positive lead to positive lead. Right? Negative lead to negative lead. Alright, now what you're going to see almost immediately, it starts to bubble. So that way you have a good electric current going through. So remember, it's out of a 9-volt batteries, you put 5 together, you're looking at like 0.37 ohms, which doesn't really matter. So time starts. I got 1432. Alright, in approximately 45 to a couple minutes, we're going to see something a little better. I noticed that my electrode just popped out because my leads are too heavy. But you're going to see a difference. Okay. Now I suggest using some kind of cord or wire. I used a kind of like a stainless steel cable, stainless steel wire, solid state would be better. But I'm still achieving the same effects. I got bubbles going on both sides, negative and positively charged. I got my solutions, my 1% solution. Alright, so the steps are, wait until, so if you want to get all this borax stuff, you want to get 200 milliliters of gel. What I used was actually clear gelatin, right, as my gel, my agarose gel, because it didn't come into the mail on time, so I just ad-libbed. I used a gelatin basis. It should work, same process. Also cost less. I think it's like 90 cents as compared to the $7 it was going to cost to ship it. Okay, So the first step in the experiment is to make a buffer solution. You will use making both agarose gel, running the samples. The buffer should be 1% solution of baking soda. To make this, combine 2 grams of baking soda, 200 milliliters of bottled water, and one of those bowls and stir well. If you don't have a kitchen scale, use 2 grams of baking soda is approximately a half teaspoon. Now, making a 1% agarose gel solution by combining 1 gram of agar powder to 100 milliliters of your buffer solution, microwave safe bowl. And then, of course, you want to heat the agar solution in the microwave bowl, dissolve the powder all the way through. Stop the microwave about every 10 to 15 seconds, stir the solution, and once the solution starts to bubble, you want to remove it. Alright, so that's what we did, and that's how we made our solution. So, we went right along to cut out stainless steel wire, and I made my electrodes, and obviously you got to watch the weight of the wire and don't move it around. Weight of the wire, don't move it around so much. Okay, and then of course as I'm talking, the vibrations are making cool stuff. So now, if you notice, we only been into it for about 2.5 minutes. We're looking at the separation. It's already started. You can see the bubbling, which is a really good effect. You know your science is working. So, get back up into here. You pour your buffer solution. You make your gel, make your holes, as you see here.